Sprinkle in style, comfort, and luxury at Everly on the Loop in St. Louis. The perfect recipe for elevated student living. Choose from stunning studios and opulent 1 to 3 bedroom apartments and enjoy a fully furnished home boasting a big screen smart TV, ample closet space, stainless steel appliances for incredible convenience, and in-unit laundry to save your valuable time. All utilities are included in your rent, so no more surprise costs. Hustle smarter in the computer lounge, then hit the power-packed gym to distress or unwind with a dip in the pool. Also, you can unlock unparalleled fun in the game room with friends. With package lockers, reliable security, and dedicated parking available in this controlled access space, convenience comes easy. Also, you're just minutes from Washington University and St. Louis University, so the campus is only a quick drive away. With buses from Delmar and Skinker, plus the Delmar Loop train station nearby, transit is smooth and speedy. So, secure your spot at Everly on the Loop in St. Louis via amberstudent.com. Now,